How to control noise. Noise levels affect a large number of workers worldwide. There are several ways to control it. The most effective way is to eliminate it. We can place barriers between the noise source and exposed workers. Confine a space to reduce the noise level in an area. Progressively cut. Acoustic isolation. Caution elastically the supports or machine anchors. Increase the mass of vibrating parts. Maintain proper belts and change tension. Suitable lubrication. Screw instead of nylon. Substitution of worn parts. Use of hearing protectors according to the level's noise and the work you are going to do. Make noise measurements in order to determine the levels in the different frequencies and choose appropriately hearing protectors or acoustic isolator. Move away from the source noise. Control the effects of noise and see you in the next video.